choke to clear out. We'll take the diaphragm. We have a Dyson DC50 here. When we turn this on, so you can see here I'm running the vacuum over stuff. It's spinning around in there. When I lift it up, it'll just come shooting out, so nothing's getting sucked up. Plug this from the wall. Doesn't turn on. While we're working on it, we're just gonna take this handle up, and once you have that off, remove the canister. Check the canister out. Make sure that that's not clogged, and it's not. And we're gonna check in here to see if this is clogged, which I don't see it is. And then we're gonna pull this little red tab back, push that back, and pulled up. Then what we're gonna do is we're going to look through the hose. Works best if you hold it up to the light. We're gonna look through here, and I can see all the way to the carpet, so this isn't clogged. And we're gonna come to the canister here. We're gonna check in the back. Pop this down. Look down here. And it's not clogged there. Then from there, you're gonna go to the bottom. And now that I have this upside down, I can see here, in here, that this is clogged right here. So I'm gonna have to get in, take this apart, and clean this section out. Now to pop this off, we're gonna slide this red tab up, and then pull back. And then next we're gonna clean out inside here, and you can see this is clogged, and that's the reason why we're not getting any suction. So look in there, in here, it's clean, and then we'll put this back together. It's going to slide over. And you're just going to squeeze this until you hear it click into place. Next, we're going to line this red tab up right here and push that down until it clicks. Stand this up, then you're going to push this red button and slide this into place. Put the canister back on. Plug it back in. Turn it on. The vacuum is working as intended, and I did not vacuum up those clogged pieces. Those are what clogged it initially, so I just went around those. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.